Hey guys, Seamus here, back again with another update on our CVN 78, the Gerald R.Ford 1350 from Trumpeter. We've got some of our bulkheads printed off today, 3D printed. Still a print off this one and the top one. Then we'll move on to our ceiling sort of thing with our lights. But it did print off, I'll show you these just in a second. It did print off figures. There's 43 I think altogether. See if we can zoom this in a bit. Now, these are 1 and 350 scale. So it'll be fun and games painting those. I think he's carrying a helmet. I think he's actually are the mechanics. I'll show you the printouts in a second. So they're 3-dimensional rather than the 2-dimensionals flat PE you can buy. So I think these will give a bit more better of appearance. So we'll show you what they're like here when they're painted. So number 7, which is this one here. Details come out reasonably okay. Happy enough with those. Don't think these are actually either tool cabinets or maybe electrical boxes. And I know till I go into the book. I bought the book on those Nimitz class aircraft carriers. It hasn't arrived yet. This number 5, which is, where are we here? Number 5. Number 5, where are you? Here. This one here. Again, come out reasonably okay. It's hard to make it out here in this light. Number 9 is one of the bulkheads dividers, which is up the top here. I had to print another one off, which was glued to the back of this. So that's number 9 to say. Number 13, I asked for 3 of these. There's the other down there. So we're still was printed off. Number 13. Number 8, which is this one here. Again, come out okay. Number 1. Where is number 1 here? Down the bottom. Again, fine. There's a few other ones we printed out just yet. I haven't done them yet. Mainly this one. This one here is number 6, I think it is. Or number 9. Number 9. Or 6, sorry. Get it right, show me. Number 6. Number 2. Just down here. And this is the start of ceiling. So these here, the LED or SMDs, we're going to bind those and they'll shine down onto the deck floor. So that's number 11. I have to do 13, 2, 3 and 4. Again, these are all the overhead lighting, so far. I'll have a look at the painting details on this in a wee second and I'll show you the figures painted up on printout. So it gives you a breakdown here where to go, what colours you do and what decals you use, so forth. So you'll see all these bulkhead walls sort of thing when you're looking through the elevators rather than just looking into an empty space. We did get all my motors in for the props and they're all spinning nicely. Another view of it. And another one. So we'll show you these other ones. So there's a renderation of the 3D prints for the pilots. So you get 4 altogether, different poses. Next one is the yellow shirts, aircraft directors. Again, to print these ones off, only one set printed off. Green shirts, catapult crew. We have fun and games trying to paint these at that scale. The next one is your red shirts, ordnance crew. So I can print these off as many as I want, basically. We have another set there as well, different poses. General support crew, blue shirts. Purple shirts, fueling crew. And then we'll have our ground technicians. And the last one is our command and control officers. We did print out other figures and a forklift and a lot of art deck vehicles for it. So I can get something for the background. These are minute. I just wanted to print. I printed them out just out of curiosity to see what way they would turn out. And you have to zoom this in right in. I say these are really only a test. So I think maybe they're 1/700 scale. Here is one of the wee forklifts which failed. I didn't put enough supports around it. The steering column didn't print out. And there's it off the support sort of thing. Another set of figures. That'll wrap this video up. These are slightly bigger than the ones I showed you previously. Same poses basically, only on a different scale. It even printed out their fingers pointing, as you can see here. See if we can zoom in orbit. You can see their fingers pointing in the air sort of thing. There was a couple there it didn't print, as you can see. There's 1, 2 didn't print out probably. But as I say, they're only really test prints. So I'm going again and adjust the settings. And the last set, as I say, only test prints. These are 1/600 scale. This is a bigger test print I done, what, 2 months ago roughly. That's one of the Tilly cranes. I printed this off maximum the build plate can allow me. I think it's maybe 148 maybe, I don't know, 132. Probably wrong there. But that came out pretty well. Again, this is really only a test. So I'll shrink that down to the 1/350 scale. You do get some with the kit, but they're not as detailed as some of the 3D parts. Anyway guys, enough rambling on for me, so there you go, it's a big update. Big video, sorry, should I say, on what's going on the CVN 78 from Gerald. So thanks for watching, and we'll speak to you all later. Bye.